Scope is all about where variables can be accessed in your code. Think it like your home. In your house, you are the only one who can access to your toothbrush. On the other hand, the TV is in the living room, so entire family can access to it. In JavaScript, we have a global scope and a local scope. Let me explain you with an example what I mean. First, if I want to create in JavaScript a global variable, I can do this like so. Let global variable and give it a value. I just created it in the global environment. Now, if I create a function, which means I create another scope, and that will be a child scope of the global environment, and create another variable. And all I want to do is print this global variable, which I created in the global environment, and then print the console, the local variable, and that's it. The local variable I have just created in the my function belong to the scope of the my function, belong to my function scope. If I execute that function, my function, like so, I am able to see both the global variable value and the local variable value. What does it say? In the child scope, I have an access to the global variable, and also, of course, it is on variable, the local variable. Now, directly, I try to read the console, the value of the global variable in the global environment. Yes, I am allowed. In LAN 190, I execute it with no problems. But if I try to reach to the child scope, my function variable, the variable belong to the my function, what do you think I will see? Can you guess? Let's just remove that here. Well, I got an error. Local variable is not defined. When we create a child scope, we have no reach to this child scope variable from the global environment.